Lavanda Beach Resort on the seafront coast of Hurghada, so it will have direct sea views. Block 1 has 4 floors already built, with the 5th under construction. Block 2, ground floor construction already started, and construction of first floor in building 2 is now underway. Delivery date is December 2025, and this target will be reached. As you can see, the progress is extremely fast. It is a new development with really good availability. Don't miss out on a good apartment for your family.